I'm dipping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Right 254. We back for another adventure. Then you get ready to go outside, get some things done. Current temperature outside is 43 degrees. It's supposed to be like a high of 60. But we ain't gonna wait. Get it in. Maybe hop on. Oh, Shotty need to stretch her legs today. So we gonna see what's up with that. It's a little chilly. First thing I want to do is try to see if I can pull the fuse for this antenna radio, whatever, cause every time we flip that switch, the antenna starts doing whatever it is that it's doing. And yeah, I need to try to stop that. So I'm gonna try to pull the radio fuse. If I pull the radio fuse, that might be enough. Might not. We're gonna find out though. I know it's hard to see. I know it's hard for y'all to see up there now. But yeah, 10 out radio fuse. Now when I throw the switch, nope, that didn't do it. That did not do it. God damn it. Is there? I don't know if it is like an antenna fuse up in here. Let me do a little bit of research so I'll catch y'all back on. Alright, we back. I done pulled out my trusty dusty book that I bought off of eBay, man. If y'all can find one of these, I highly recommend you can find it, because it's gonna make your life that much easier if you're doing some electrical shit. So for the radio, it tells you exactly, or for the antenna, because the antenna has its own section, and it's gonna give you the complete breakdown, schematic, etc. So there's a 10 amp fuse, and then there's this courtesy clock fuse. Now I'm pretty sure if I pull the courtesy clock fuse, it will stop. However, that would also cut off my interior lights. Now, other than that, there is an antenna relay. Now, if I disconnect the antenna relay, which has what looks to be a yellow and an orange wire going to it, and then off of that, a white, dark green, and gray wire, off of that, then we should be good. From here, the antenna relay location is on IP brace left of IP compartment. Now, that's a little bit confusing. But if we look at the picture, because it does provide illustration, behind IPAC, behind AP, so antenna coaxial cable, antenna coaxial cable lead, the antenna relay you're gonna see is right there. So that's the radio, and the relay is gonna be right there, if you can see that. So it shows you exactly where it's at. Antenna relay right there. Radio, relay. So it's up under the dash. Alright, so we got up under there, got it disconnected. Now when we go to throw our switch, motor's not going, lights still come on, and interior lights is still on, so mission accomplished. Yeah, and I didn't have to cut nothing. Alright, so I didn't take out the bike like I was planning on. I've been here mainly in the garage trying to make some progress, and I have for the most part. So let me show you what I got. So as you can see over here on this side, the garage is almost clear so that I can bring the truck in. Went through, tried to throw some stuff away. Other stuff I put up on the shelves. That's pretty much whole new rearranged setup. Got stuff that I don't need, which would be paint, because I don't plan on painting for a minute. All that stuff is up there. Rest of it's down here where I can easily access it. And yeah, pretty much what we got there. So the whole, I guess, thought process behind this is so that I can bring the truck in, right? Bring the truck in, move the cutlass up closer, and then probably go ahead and put the I don't know for certain, but don't be surprised if I move the box Chevy back over here, and then that way I can open up the garage and roll out the Harley at wheel, cause we are finna get back into that season. So that's the plan. Shoot, let me do a little bit more. Cause like I said, there's a couple more things that gotta be kind of moved, adjusted. At first, I don't think I'm gonna pull it all the way in. I'm gonna just bring it up to where, bring it up to probably like right here, and then kind of just start working around it. Of course, I know some stuff is not gonna be able to be right here, because I do know it needs to come like all the way up. Like all the way up. So probably at first I'll pull it all the way up to like right here, and then go back and adjust it. Alright, so you can see we got most of the truck in here. It's just a little bit. It's not. But we finna get ready to pull it up that last little amount. We should be good to go. Yeah. I believe a lot of that is the chrome and stuff for the caprices. So that stuff when they start getting shined up, reinstalled, etc., etc. scooch it on up just a little bit. I feel like that's probably a little bit too much. Let's see what we're working with. Well, it wasn't too much. I mean, we are all the way in there. Minus, no, we in there, we good. Just with all this stuff right here, I can't get back over there like I need to, so I gotta go back around the other way. Close the garage door or whatever. So alright, I never made it to even go get them bulbs, so what I'm trying to do is put this damn car together. Go ahead and put the grill on there. Already cleaned up the little back part that goes there, and then put in the headlights, the bezels, and complete the front of that, and that'll be good to go. Like I said, we got the truck is now in all the way in the garage, so that's good to go there. Like I said, if I didn't have all this right here, I'd have pretty much direct access or ability. I mean, I can still, just a little tight. I ain't no little boy, that's for sure. Yeah. So I had to squeeze a little bit, but it's in there. And then we can go ring around the rosy. One more again. Yeah, just like that. So this is the next thing I wanted to do. I think I talked about it in past videos about wanting to clean that overspray off my garage door. So that rag is kind of dirty. So I might have to hit it. Hit it with some purple power or something first, but you can't tell where the attempt to wipe down happened. So I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, so we also back one time with a beauty ring off the C10 with our secret simple green solution. This is the before. I know what happened next. It's spraying funny. Hold on.